it's Miss Katie. This is the day before Thanksgiving 2021. We have so much for which we can be thankful. And even if you do not live in the United States of America and are not celebrating American Thanksgiving, obviously, then we hope you will still take time today to be thankful. Count your blessings. You know, they say that really helps with mental health. Those folks who are grateful, attitude of gratitude, counting your blessings. So I hope that you will take time to do that today. All right, I'm going to bring to you a fast and simple way to jazz up your cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving, or if you eat it whenever. Jazz that stuff up. One Thanksgiving day, I developed this little way to jazz up the cranberry sauce, and I want to show that to you today. It won't take long. Stay tuned and let's do this. All right, I am toasting in my little cast iron Lodge pan. I am toasting a few pecans. I soaked them last night. That is the healthy way to get the, I never can say this word. You want to soak that out. So we talk about that. My friend Nancy Webster talks about that in the latest issue of the journal that Little Miss Homemaker and I just mailed out yesterday. You know, if you're going to get the journal in the next few days, look for that article from Nancy's Nutrition. If you don't know what the journal is, it is our community newspaper. People contribute. It is awesome. I love it. I'm so thankful to the Lord for that idea. And we have just finished 1 year of the journal. So praise God for that. And if you want to know more, or if you need to resubscribe for the next year, then the link is down below for that. But I soaked the pecans, and now I am just toasting them a little bit. This recipe is on page 64 of my first cookbook from Katie's Kitchen, Volume 1. So it's in there, but this has got a lot of recipes, my first cookbook. Information to buy both of my cookbooks down below as well. This is cranberry cream salad. And it is something that I came up with one Thanksgiving day, like I said. I am making half of the recipe today. You can make half or you know, you can double this. I have 6 ounces of cream cheese. It is very softened. It sat out all night. If you're not comfortable with that, which I've been doing that for like 40-something years. If you're not comfortable leaving it out, then you'll need to figure out how to get it to be real soft. I am putting in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Actually, I'm going to use up Miracle Whip. I've got Miracle Whip. The original recipe is mayonnaise, but quite honestly, I bought this Miracle Whip for my pimento cheese. Woo, mercy. For my pimento cheese and for another recipe, and it just needs to be used up. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this. And I'm not going to measure because I know what 2 tablespoons is. So 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, preferable. And I'm just going to beat this with my electric mixer and come right back to you. Open your can of jellied cranberry sauce. This is not the whole berry. One day I'm going to make my own. One of these days. Alright. Get the nuts crushed in my little vintage, I think it's vintage 50s crusher here. I'm still having a tough time remembering words after having our little sickness. Still, are any of y'all the same way? Just putting these nuts in here, crushing them a little bit. I could have put some butter in there when I was toasting, but I didn't. It's okay. so thanks to Tanya for my little vintage chopper. That's the word I'm looking for. I love pecans. It's my favorite tree nut. Love pecan pie. Love pecans in my ice cream. I love pecans anywhere. Ice cream, cakes, pies, casseroles. All right, I might have chopped those too much. It's okay. All right. Take this little wooden part out. All right, so now I have those in there. And I don't know, that's probably, 2 or 3 tablespoons maybe. All right, now we're just gonna assemble this. So this is my working plate. I used to not care for this at all. I don't know, I don't remember when or why or how I started liking cranberry sauce. It always seemed like an odd animal. And I guess it still is. But to some people, those can rings are quintessential Thanksgiving. That's okay. That's okay. I'm just slicing this in rings best way I can. It's easy. I'm just trying to get it even. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to, you can just do it like that, or do this however you want to, honestly. Right, you can have it just like that on your plate, or you can put it over here, just rings like that, which is actually what I'm going to do right now. Or you can kind of have it on top of each other like that. 2 little columns of it, rows, whatever. So this is basically jelly made out of cranberries, you know, so I don't know why I was scared of it. Made out of cranberry juice. Basically, I'm just going to put this fluffiness, just kind of dollop it on each slice. You know what I just thought of? You could put a teeny tiny drop of lemon juice in this cream cheese, or a drop of lemon essential oil. I think that would wake it up too. I just thought of that. And you just garnish with these toasted chopped pecans. I've got little Miss Homemaker with me. Now, hi. If you are new to us, we have a lot of new friends here.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, so this is little Miss Homemaker. She has been in a lot of past cooking videos, but she prefers other areas of the home, and she's a big helper to me. So, but I asked her, would you mind tasting this on camera? And she said what?
Yes.
Okay, so she doesn't mind. Now, what is your favorite? You said off camera, but tell them, what is your favorite thing at Thanksgiving? Favorite food?
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. This jazzes it up a little bit.
It's the one thing I look forward to every year.
Okay. See, we don't have it that often, do we? So it's
no, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so is this piece okay with you?
It's fine with me.
Oh dear, the little cream stuff rolled off. You want 2 pieces?
Sure.
You'll eat it, won't you? Okay.
I'll definitely eat it.
Okay. Let me see if I can get you some. And you are welcome to eat it, because look at that. I mean, it's pretty.
It is pretty.
Okay, there you
Thank
go.
you.
You are welcome. You go right ahead. Now, it's unique, jazzed up. It is so easy. And you probably have the ingredients. You probably bought extra cream cheese anyway, because you know we cooks do that.
That's good.
Okay, I love the creaminess. I love with the tart.
I might just have to eat it all.
You can have all you want. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Patrons, she's the one that sends out postcards to y'all. Those of you who get postcards, this is her. She's a big helper.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I hope y'all have a peaceful and wonderful day tomorrow. If you're with your families, be thankful. If you happen to not be with your family, please count your blessings. Write them down if you need to. Look for somebody else to encourage. If you are down and out, Look for somebody else to encourage. If it's, you know, if you've got it in you, just try, because the way I look at things, you know, when I feel like are bad around here, I say it can always be worse. It can always be worse. So thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. We love and appreciate y'all. I'm not kidding, y'all. I'm not kidding when I say we love and appreciate y'all so much. I get excited when I get to be in my kitchen with you. So we'll talk to you later. Stay tuned. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.